enjoy this activity, I have to tell you that you should not be slow. Don't think too much about going or not, because when elephants are done, they just leave. They're not gonna wait for your decision. This activity, okay, we're going to help them. They normally do it by themselves every day when the weather is hot, because of they have very thick skin, and that thick skin make elephant cannot sweat or release the heat out of their skin. So the mud, the water will help them to cool down, and we just let people go, join with them, and explain about their life. Okay, so what I would like to tell you is, this activity is come from elephant, and let this belong to them. In case if elephant don't want to stay a long time, they want to leave, they have right to leave anytime they want, and we're not gonna force them or keep them to stay. Okay, if they don't want to. So after this, you still can bring your cell phone and camera. That is okay that you can put. And about your shoes, any shoe is okay. If you would like to take it off, you can take it off over there. All right, everyone. So if you're ready, follow me.
So now we are going to take a bath the elephant to their pack. Ano ba yan? Trying hard ka, girl. Sa kaka-English mo. Sabi ko, punta na kami dun sa liguan. Gusto kong sumama sa kanila, pero wala kasi akong proper. Alam mo, wow, conservative type daw. That's very hot. So, maliligo na yung mga elepante ko. Ito po yung mga binili kong hacienda. Yung lahat mga nakikita nyo lang. Mamaya update ko kayo dun sa shower room nila. Oh, this is their bathtub. Yeah, my clothes is
All right, everyone.
super
Okay. So if you wanna take
extra.
your shoe off, you can. Okay. If you don't wanna get too dirty, then you elephant can. Okay. But if you don't mind about getting dirty, this too, they say welcome. Okay. So if you're ready, let's get out there.
I will choose India.
Okay.
So I will get
Các bạn có skin ha. Good body, bro. Good body, trắng. Ha.
Okay, India.
Okay, body, trắng.
Oh, India. I will bring it slowly.
Okay, các
Maybe
bạn.
I'm super small.
The elephant can go.
Hello, man. Không phải vô con nữa. Look.
It's okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I will tell you. I have to tell you that normally she can just step. But she just wanted to be. She normally don't do this. Just only when with people. Normally can just step out easily. Okay, we're gonna find out what's up. Hi. ¿Cómo sale el guiño del
Oh. Yan. Pagkatapos mag-shower, magpe-perfume. Yan ang perfume niya.
One hour later.
A native way to do paper, but it's using poo of the elephant. It's a normal water.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how we make paper out of elephant poop. Okay, so one day elephant poop about 50 kilograms. A lot. Okay, and to make paper is the best way to get rid of elephant poop instead of burning. Okay, and elephant poop not only can make paper, can do many things because mostly of the food that they eat is fiber. And also elephant poop is very good, very important for baby elephant. Because every baby elephant, they have to eat their mama's food.
Oh.
Every baby eats to help about digestion. And to make paper here, we only use 30% of elephant poo and 70% of tree bark. So first dry it out on the sun about 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, the poop will be no more smell. And after that, we're gonna clean it in the water and then boil tree bark and elephant poop for 7 hours minimum. And after that, put them together in blender and then dye the color and it's come out like this. This is elephant poop. Okay, like this. And then, okay, we have to put them in here. Break it up. Make sure there's no holes. Okay, and then will be like this. And wait until it's dry. Okay, and after it's dry, will be this paper. Forest, 60 kilograms. Okay, will be this type of paper. And what you can do with the paper, mostly they would take, people take and pen on it. Pen on it, or we make a envelope or card. Okay, so later I will give to everyone and you can take it home. Okay, if you miss elephant, you can smell the poop. Okay, so everyone. Okay, so if you would like to try, let's try. Okay, so you can grab this one, or if you don't want to do it here, you can go and do it by yourself at home if you have an elephant. All right, everyone, let's do it.
Let's do some paper.
Forest.
Do it here.
All right, does anyone want? Who else want to do? And don't forget grab some food.
There is bugs in it. Hindi ko na pa-perfect. Wait lang.
My favorite color.
Oh. Okay, it's nice. Okay, I done one.
A few inches later.
All right, everybody, thank you so much. ขอบคุณค่ะ Okay, do not forget anything here. ขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye.
Bye-bye! Hi guys! Tapos na kami sa Elephant Jungle Sanctuary. So, ngayon naman, uwi muna kami. Punta muna kami sa hotel. Then, after that one is we're going to shopping market. So, I'm excited to tour you guys. So, stay put lang kayo dyan, okay? There's more fun here in Thailand.